Part 1. Chat Mode. Chat mode is the core interaction mode of CODE27. You can directly speak with your Kodi in real time. The system currently provides 3 interaction methods. First, tap to talk mode. Tap the talk icon at the bottom of the screen to start speaking. Tap it again when you're finished.
Good morning.
Second, hold to talk mode. Press and hold the microphone icon while speaking. Release it when you're finished.
Hey, why so quiet?
Finally, continuous mode. In this mode, your Kodi stays ready to listen, and you can speak naturally without pressing the microphone button.
Great job. You got everything set up.
Part 2. Space and camera settings. While in chat mode, tap the bottom left button to access scene and camera settings. Space setting changes your Kodi's environment. Multiple 3D scenes are available to match your Kodi's vibe. Additional scenes will continue to arrive through updates. In camera setting, you can adjust zoom and pitch. You can adjust the zoom level to change the distance between you and your Kodi. You can also adjust the pitch to change the camera's vertical viewing angle. You can tap the reset button to restore the default camera position. Part 3. Interaction mode. While in chat mode, tap the bottom right button to open interaction mode. In this mode, you can interact with your Kodi using the virtual hand. Move the cursor with the joystick, then press OK to interact. Your Kodi reacts differently each time you interact. Part 4. CODIE Management System. To customize your Kodi in detail, you need to connect to the CODIE Management System. While in chat mode, tap the top right button to open the character setting page. You can enter the LAN address shown in the top left corner of your CODE27 screen on your computer, or scan the QR code with your phone. On the web page, click Request Connection Code. A 6-digit code will appear on your CODE27 device. Enter the code on the web page to complete the connection. Now, let's explore the features available in the CODIE Management System. We'll start with character settings. Character name and description help you identify and organize your Kodis. They do not directly affect how your Kodi responds. After changing the character name, click Apply to sync the changes to your CODE27. The name in the character slot will also be updated. Persona allows you to customize your Kodi's personality, speaking style, and knowledge through prompts. Clear and concise prompts usually produce better results. You can edit the prompt anytime. Remember to click Apply to sync your changes to your CODE27. CODE27 supports both custom VRM model import and official characters. Each Kodi supports multiple outfit slots. To upload a VRM model from your local files, click Local Files. Select the model you want to import and click Apply to sync it to your CODE27. If you want to use an official CODE27 character, select Original Characters and choose a character from the list. Outfits only affect appearance and do not affect your Kodi's responses. If you want your Kodi to know about outfit details, please include them in the persona details. Animation style controls your Kodi's body language. You can adjust the style between masculine, feminine, and non-binary. Expressiveness controls facial animation intensity. Subtle, normal, and strong provide different levels of emotional expression. You can choose a voice that matches your preference. Click Voice Group to switch between different voice banks. You can also select masculine or feminine to adjust the voice style. From the drop-down list, choose a voice and click Preview to hear how it sounds.
Nice to meet you. I am really happy to be here and will always be right by your side.
Chat history stores your previous conversations, including timestamps and dates. You can also listen to or download the audio recordings of your previous conversations from this page. Use the button in the top right corner to switch between different Kodis and view their conversation history. Memory allows your Kodi to remember important information about you over time. For example, if you mention that you like the color red, this information will be saved as a memory. Each memory includes content, a category, the date it was created, and the date it was last updated. Memories are automatically created during conversations. You cannot manually add new memories. You can review, edit, or delete existing memories at any time. Diary allows your Kodi to record memorable moments from your daily interactions. After spending enough time together, your Kodi will create a diary entry summarizing the day's experiences. You can view these entries and see how your Kodi remembers your shared moments. Part 5. Lab. Return to the homepage and tap Lab. Here, you can find several experimental features introduced in version 1.4. Chat provides a text-based conversation interface where you can chat with your CODIE. You can also send images to your CODIE. This allows you to stay connected with your CODIE even when you are away from your room. Alarm allows you to set up scheduled alerts for your daily routines. Click Add to create a new alarm, then set the time and repeat rules. You can disable specific days by unchecking them in the repeat settings. You can also customize the snooze interval and the maximum number of snoozes. Add a label or tag to help you identify the purpose of each alarm. When the alarm goes off, your selected CODIE will wake you up with its voice and the chosen alarm sound. You can also set alarms directly on your CODE27 device. The setup process works the same way. Lab also includes tools to help organize your daily life, such as Note and Reminder. Note allows you to save information for later reference. Click Add to create a new note, enter your content, and save it. You can use Notes to record information you want to keep without setting a reminder time. Note is for saving information, while Reminder helps you remember things at the right time. Click Add, set the reminder content, time, and repeat rules. When the reminder is triggered, your CODIE will remind you about the task. Now that we've covered software customization, let's explore how you can customize the hardware experience. You can customize CODE27's lighting effects through the Light Editor. To create a new lighting effect, click New to start a project. First, set a name for your project. There are currently two lighting modes, Normal and Reactive. Normal mode is a static lighting effect. Once your CODE27 is powered on, the lights will continue running with your selected settings. Reactive mode turns the light panels into audio-reactive lights. The lighting effects will change based on your CODIE's voice or music playback. Each mode includes several preset effects for you to choose from. You can also create your own lighting effects by customizing each LED. Each side of CODE27 has 17 LEDs. You can adjust the color and timing of each LED individually. Click Preview to temporarily apply the lighting effect to your CODE27 and see the result. If you are satisfied with the effect, click Save, then click Apply to save it to your CODE27. If you are satisfied with your creation, click Export to save it as a JSON file and share it with other users. Click Import to apply lighting effects shared by other users. If you encounter any issues while using CODE27, whether related to hardware or software, please submit a report through feedback. You can describe the problem you encountered here, and our team will review your feedback and work to improve your experience. Part 6. Music Mode. Music Mode supports two ways to play audio: Bluetooth audio input and music stored on a micro SD card. For music loaded from a micro SD card, CODE27 currently supports NTFS and FAT32 formats. Please make sure your micro SD card uses one of these formats. Copy your music files to the micro SD card, then insert it into the card slot on the back of your CODE27. The system will automatically detect the music files and add them to your music library. You can also manage your music library here by adding or removing songs. Simply tap a song title to play it directly on your CODE27. You can also choose different audio effects from the options on the side. You can also connect other devices to CODE27 through Bluetooth. Tap the button in the top right corner to switch to Bluetooth mode. Open your device's Bluetooth settings, find Cybrand CODE27, and tap Connect. Once connected, you can use CODE27 as a Bluetooth speaker. Part 7. Ambient Mode. Ambient mode is designed for a more relaxed companionship experience. In this mode, your CODIE becomes like a digital companion figure, staying by your side with natural idle activities. Your CODIE may read, rest, or simply enjoy quiet moments. You can tap the heart icon anytime for a small interaction. Your CODIE will respond with a short voice line. Part 8. Settings. In Settings, you can configure various CODE27 features, including display, language, privacy, and system options. Brightness allows you to adjust the screen brightness. You can drag the slider to make the display brighter or darker according to your preference. Reset context allows you to clear the current conversation context. If your CODIE's responses become unclear or the conversation gets off track, you can use this option to start a fresh conversation context. Proactive conversation. When enabled, your CODIE can proactively interact with you after long periods of silence. For example, your CODIE may greet you when it sees you for the first time each day. Your CODIE can also respond to simple gestures, such as thumbs up, thumbs down, or a V sign, and react to your smile. If you are using the smart rotating base, you can enable face tracking. When enabled, your CODE27 will follow your face movements through the rotating base. This allows your CODIE to stay oriented toward you as you move. In language and region settings, you can select your preferred language and time zone. CODE27 currently supports English and Japanese, with more languages coming in future updates. You can configure your Wi-Fi connection here. You can protect your CODE27 with a 6-digit PIN. After enabling screen lock, press the physical button in the center to lock the screen. When you wake the device again, you will need to enter your PIN. The version page displays your system version, release notes, and update status. You can check for and install updates from this page. If an update gets stuck, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi and rebooting the device. Privacy policy explains how your data and conversations are handled. Terms of service explains device usage rules and platform policies. Using a micro SD card, you can back up your character data, chat history, and system settings. To restore your data, insert the micro SD card and select a backup file. NTFS is the recommended micro SD card format. FAT32 is also supported. Part 9. Hardware. Now that we've covered the software features, let's take a closer look at the CODE27 hardware. First, let's start with the physical buttons. The top button increases the volume. The bottom button decreases the volume. The center button controls power. Short press the center button to turn the screen on or off. Hold the center button for 3 seconds to restart the device. The top section contains the camera system. When the camera is active, the white indicator light turns on. The 2 small holes beside the camera are the dual microphones. In noisy environments, stay closer to the microphones for clearer voice pickup. If you need additional privacy protection, please attach the included camera cover. Once attached, it physically blocks the camera while still allowing audio conversations with your CODIE. The CODE27 outer shell uses a high transparency material. To protect the surface, do not use alcohol, organic solvents, or harsh cleaning chemicals. For regular cleaning, use water with a microfiber cloth or a non-woven cloth. When cleaning the screen and surface, gently wipe with light pressure to avoid scratching the material. This completes your CODE27 setup guide. You are now ready to explore conversations, customization, and all the features CODE27 has to offer. We hope CODE27 brings you a unique and enjoyable companion experience. Thank you for choosing CODE27.